Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Downloader on Firestick or Fire TV. Let's begin. If you're using an Android device, Downloader can be found inside the Google Play Store. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Fire TV stick. The Downloader app is used by millions of cord cutters around the world for sideloading or installing third-party applications that you cannot find in verified app stores. To install the Downloader app on our Firestick or Fire TV device, the first thing you want to do is go to the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, hover over Find, then click down and select the search box. Type in Downloader. You'll notice that before you even finish typing, Downloader already appears. Click on it, then click the orange Downloader icon under Apps and Game. Now click Download and wait a few seconds while the Downloader app installs on your device. Once the Downloader app has finished installing, I recommend pressing the Home button first. There are a few settings we need to change before using Downloader properly. From the home screen, hover over the settings icon, scroll down, and click My Fire TV. Select About, then keep clicking on Fire TV Stick 4K or whatever device name appears until you see the message saying, "No need, you're already a developer." This means developer options are now enabled. After seeing this message, press the back button. Now click Developer option. Then select Apps from Unknown Sources. Click Turn on, and now apps from unknown sources are enabled. Press the Home button on your remote again. Scroll down and you'll see Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Open Downloader, click Allow, and when the Quick Start Guide appears, just click OK. That's it. You have successfully installed the Downloader app on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. After installing Downloader, you can now access thousands of third-party applications that are not available in the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store. One of the best features of Downloader is the 6-digit codes. In this example, I'm going to enter 298344 and then press Go. After a few seconds, this code will redirect you to a Quick Links page. Here you'll see IPTV Wire Quick Link, which is a page that includes many popular streaming apps and tools. If you explore the Quick Links page, you'll notice it includes everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching.